Result in your company?
Very good morning. My name is Sundaramurthy. I represent Azam Textile Mills Private Limited as the Business Development Manager. And we are a company manufacturing grey woven fabrics, which is basically a raw fabrics, converted yarn getting converted from yarn to fabrics. So we belong to the lower part of the textile value chain, so where we supply grey fabrics, which will get further processed into finished materials as per the specific end use of the buyers. So we are also backward integrated into manufacturing yarn, viscose, ring-spun compact yarn, vertex yarn, and micro-modal yarn, all made with regenerated cellulosic fabrics. So it retains the properties of cotton, but it is man-made. So that is why it's called a regenerated fabric. So we supply yarn, regenerated cellulosic yarns in viscose, ring-spun compact, vertex yarn and micro-modal, as well as we supply grey fabrics. So this is the core activity, and we also do regular exports to other countries like Bangladesh, South Korea, Thailand and other European countries. And we also supply to a major chunk of the domestic buyers, catering to their retail as well as bulk orders. So this summarizes our operations in the grey fabrics.
Do you handle both domestic or international?
Both domestic as well as international.
What is your product USP?
The USP of our products is we have a very high quality products which we boast of, because we have the entire state of the art infrastructure which enables to make the superior quality yarn as well as in grey fabrics. So our USP is to have the best quality that can be supplied and be kept as the benchmark in the industry.
Can you discuss the difference between woven and non-knitted fabric?
They both have different characteristics. So we belong to the woven segment, and the knitted process is entirely different. So we are only confined to the woven segment when it comes to fabrics. But when it comes to yarn, we can also cater to the knitted industry as well. So the yarn that we supply, it can be waxed and sent to the knitted industry. But when it comes to fabric, we are only confined to the woven.
Last question. Can you discuss your current trend and innovation in fabrics? Current trend or innovation in fabrics?
Current trend, there is not much to say about the current trend in the market. The markets are very subdued, but the market's demand is expected to bounce in the short while. And when it comes to innovation, we cater to whatever the innovations had been made in the market, and we supply to the rest of our capital. So we do play our part in developing fabrics which can be the pioneers in the industry when it comes to developing new products. But our core niche area is in supplying to the market as per their established requirements.
Thank you, sir. It was very nice to talk to you.
All the best. Wish you all the best.